Hey guys, so basically this is my Arashi Dynamics GTX3584RS. So I'm just gonna unbox it and show you what it comes with and show you the quality of everything. And yeah, I'll get on the way of unboxing. Just before we start, I just want to say that I'm in no way getting paid by these guys. This is the first time I bought these guys turbo. So yeah, this is just an honest review on my half, because I was actually supposed to buy it with Garrett, but yeah. Sweet, so basically this is the turbo tag. It has 3584 engraved in it, as this is the model I've purchased. That's basically that. Next we have a thank you card, and inside the thank you card is another card which contains the serial number, I guess, for the turbo or whatever order you made. So that's mine, so if I have any maintenance issues or anything I need to change later on, the serial number right there. Put that down. Next we have a little keychain. Looks pretty cool. This one is pretty interesting packaging. Looks like a ninja blade. Let's pop it open. This basically looks like a fridge magnet. It tells you, I think, who the maker of the turbo is. It says it's handcrafted by down the bottom. Next we have like a, I guess it looks like a little brochure. So it says Crow Ball Bearing Turbo Series. That's like the series I've got as well. So basically, it has like the model number of the turbo, the horsepower they're rated for, and the displacement they're rated for also. So for example, down the bottom here, they even have like a little cool map as well. But for example here, they have a Crow 3582 for model number. The horsepower is 450 to 850 horsepower rated, and displacement is 2 liter to 4.5 liter rated. It also has like a corrected airflow map down the bottom. That's what it is. And yeah, it just shows where they ship out to at the back. Next, got a balance sheet report, sticker as well. I'll probably use in the back of my car windshield. Yeah, like I was saying, this dynamic balancing summary report shows the turbo was tested up to 17,000 RPM. Let's check everything back in. Check out the rest of it. So they give you a free t-shirt as well. You just tell them what color and what size. So I got extra large white. There's a nice cool turbo in the front for a picture. So yeah, I'll chuck up a picture of me wearing that. Next is like a little bag they have. Do whatever you want with it. You can just chuck the turbo in the back of the bag if you want and walk around with it. It's up to you. But yeah. Basically in this kit they have everything you need for this turbo. They basically have a coolant line, an oil line, feed line, a V-band clamp. They have a T3 twin scroll gasket for me. They also have like oil drain flange, gasket. They also have the banjo fittings for the lines, the coolant lines. Basically they have everything here. Only thing you'd need is just the oil drain line from the turbo to the back of your block. Because, you know, all builds are different and all of them require different lengths. So yeah, this one's just like a generic use for universal. This is a T3 twin scroll V-band outlet, so you can use it for any car. So you know, all setups are not the same. They don't want all stock locations. This is a T3 setup. T3 is not a stock location or anything like what happens on like a Evo X. Evo X is a TD05. Yeah. Anyways, I'll get on to unboxing the turbo. That's what I'm most excited for. Right off the bat, just Arashi Dynamics. Even the box looks sick, eh? Like, just overall, so far, I'm just impressed with the quality of like stuff that they give you. It's like, for example, like even like Garrett, like Precision, all the like big names, like they just give you like, they send out the turbo itself and nothing else. No lines, no flange, no gasket, no V-band clamp, you know, like nothing at all like that. I'm surprised like how much shit these guys actually give you and how much time like thought they put into like writing the little shit down, like serial numbers, you know, and like the handcrafted shit. And yeah, that's actually quite amazed by how much shit and time they put into this shit. You wouldn't expect like something like this that doesn't cost, like it costs half as much as a Garrett and just looks just as good, and the quality is just as good, because these parts are sourced from like Japan. Taiwan and Korea. That's how this turbo was built up and the rest of the turbos. And yeah, I was so surprised because I actually ordered a Garrett but it was on back order, so I got a refund and decided to get this. So yo, right off the bat, I'm fucking so surprised of the quality of this turbo for the price of it. It's like so clean and everything's done up real nicely. It's machined quite well. Like all the edges are nice and smooth. Basically, obviously it's brand new, but like so clean, so tidy, and just the like color and theme of everything, how the wheel is already custom red, and even there's a backing plate around the back of the turbo behind the front housing, air housing, just red as well. Just so much little stuff, like little details, you know, attention to detail they've done. Like looks so good. For something of this price, you would not think of like, do we have this high caliber? I'm actually quite shocked. I even compared this to one of my buddy's precision turbos that we ordered not long ago. But yeah, I'll show you what I mean about other big companies not sending much stuff of their turbos and shit. But not hating on these turbos, obviously they're good, they have a good reputation and stuff, but just showing something that's like not as expensive can be just as good. Sweet, so I'm just gonna grab a chair quickly and then we can compare the two turbos and see what comes in both the boxes. Hey, almost done, buddy. Oh, he's wanting to do that. Oh yeah, so basically this is my buddy's precision I was saying earlier in the video. That's a Gen 2 6266 ball bearing, T3 also, and 0.82 AR. That's the box. Looks like basically all it comes with is this beauty. It's nice turbo also. So this one is rated for 800 horse only, and mine's rated for apparently 1000 horse. They're quite similar size, but I think the wheel on my one is actually a bit bigger. But yeah, even where the compressor goes, like right there, the elbow, they're both the same size, the outer diameters. So let's take a quick look at that. So as you can see, mine's a 0.83 AR. Looks a bit bigger, which it should, but you can definitely tell this one is actually bigger than this. The T3 is a single scroll, so it's one big hole, and then the Arashi is a twin scroll. So this is oil and water cooled, and this one is only oil cooled, I believe. So this is a 4-inch. I'm assuming his one's 4-inch also, but you can tell straight away that the wheels is much smaller. And he has a few blades lesser than mine. He has 7 blades on his. Mine's like a 10 to 11 blades. Got scale out. I also wanted to weigh them, see how much they weigh. So I normally weigh around somewhere around 88. Just fluctuate. Oops, wait. Some 88. So that's pretty accurate. So I'll go precision first. This definitely feels a bit heavier. You can tell. So that's 8.5 kilos. That's pretty heavy, shit. But that's with the front and rear housing, the compressor and the rear housing. So I'll restart it to 0 and put the Arashi on. So that's 8.2. Sweet. So there's only 300 grams difference between the two turbos. But basically this has nothing on it, just a bung. Same as this one. I think it just has a banjo bolt on one side, or these two. This one definitely has a higher lengthwise. It's much longer from head to toe from here. It's just slightly a bit longer than the Arashi one. Also, I'll be doing an updated video once the car has been done and tuned. Cheers, thanks for watching guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the review and unboxing. And if you guys would like 10% off any of these turbos, just click in the description box below and it will be Chaotic Evo.